Hello, Dumelang, and welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for sticking around, even though I haven't been able to make some videos or some cooking videos for you guys for the past few months. I thank you for sticking around and just encouraging me to post more videos for you. I haven't had the time, but I will try and post some cooking videos for you. If you guys have any suggestions of what I should film cooking, please let me know in the comment section so I'll be able to make some videos for you. This is just a simple quick video of cooking African donuts or Magwinya or fat cakes, as we call them sometimes in Botswana. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, guys. I haven't filmed my mixing session. If you want to see how I mix, you can visit one of the videos that I have made in the past, or let me know if you want me to make an updated version of how I mix my dough, the sugar, the yeast, and the flour. In this video I used the yeast. That's why the bowl is just overflowing with dough. Yeah, otherwise you want to fill your pot with oil to about half or 3/4 of the pot. So just to make sure that your dough is floating in the oil instead of touching the base of the pot. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in my other videos. And thank you for watching and thank you for sticking around. I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully you will give me more suggestions in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to see if I can make those videos for you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.